Hey, what about a cup holder for the cozy? What do you think? Think that'll work? Nah, maybe not. That kind of looks nasty. Oh, I know. What about a cell phone holder, huh? How about that? Nah, it's kind of sloppy. Maybe not. This is my vent, my rear passenger vent cowling. I guess you would call it a cowling. These are my stainless sidebrow vents. It's going to fit in here. And I'm going to put it I'm just going to put one vent in the rear, and it's going to sit something like that. And so the rear passenger will have a vent that they can control as well, and it'll look halfway decent. So, still not 100% sure on the exact location, but we'll see. I'll keep messing with that. But anyway. Okay, so rear vent cowling for the passenger. Right, forward hinge canopy hinges have been primed and painted. I've already trial fitted them, so I know they're right. Painted them with an epoxy, so looks really nice. These things are smooth. Oh my gosh. Alright, moving on. Okay, and so the last thing I've done today before I wrap it up is I have installed the left rear passenger armrest, and I've got these in here just kind of holding it while the glue sets up, and the left front passenger armrest. I'll be able to move both of these with these screws right here. There's one there, screw in front there, and I'm going to put also a little catch down at the bottom to make this secure. Alright, that pretty much wraps up what I've done today, and check in later. More stuff coming.